Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to change out a start-stop switch on a 2nd gen Fusion. Should be good for all of them, but check it out. This one's for a Lincoln. It's a lot nicer looking than the Ford one, so I decided to go with this one. Check out the part number, and you can order this from Rock Auto. It's about 41 bucks to my door. Should be roughly the same for you guys too. But mine looks like this during the night, which is not bad, but during the day, it looks like this, which is unacceptable. I thought it was dirt, and as I wiped it, the white was going away, and now this is what it looks like. So this is why we're going to go with the Lincoln version of this. Check it out. Once you get the 2 screws out on the bottom, it just unclips. You just gotta pull, then it'll snap loose. Once you get the 2 screws off the bottom, here's the metal clips. Here's the metal clips we're pulling out. This one stayed in there somewhere, but you got 4 of them. Now we gotta take the touch screen out. Push down in the middle, pull back on the handle, and it will release. There's 2 screws on the top. You don't have to take those out. I took those out thinking I had to take them out. You do not have to take those out. It's like right there. You should be able to push that clip in there. It should push that baby right out. And as you can see down here, all you got to do is pull on this kick panel, and it'll pop down. Pull there, pull there on this side, and it will pop down like so. Alright, that gives you access right there to the other pin. I was able to finagle this up in the hole right here. Just move it to the side. Because the tabs are really simple to push. They're really easy to push. And just push it out. And as you can see here, the hole is kind of keyed to where this should line right up in there. It's kind of keyed where it should line up right in there the way it should go. Okay, let's give it a try. Plugging it up. You can see the green light. The green light is on. Let's see what happens. But it worked. And we are golden. Looky, looky, brand new cookie. Looks quite a bit better than what I had before. All right, let's put everything back together. Remember, do not drop this A-pin. place the trim in reverse order. Handy, very, very handy. Keep some in your glove compartment. And there it is, brand new push button start switch.